actress Iyabo Ojo has wasted no time as she fires back at her colleague Lizzy Anjorin after she calls her a prostitute. Lizzy Anjorin got social buzz following a video she shared online where she disclosed about Iyabo's failed businesses and how she uses her private to make money by sleeping with rich men. According to Lizzy Anjorin, Iyabo had a threesome with Apostle Suleman and slept with politician, Dino Melaye. This outburst from Lizzy Anjorin comes after Iyabo in a video that surfaced online mocks Lizzy Anjorin's style of marketing following her visit to actress Lola Alao's place in Canada, who does the same clothing business as Lizzy. Reacting to the allegations made against her by Lizzy Anjorin, Iyabo via the Insta Stories section of her official Instagram page throws jab at Lizzy Anjorin by calling her several bad names. Iyabo in the post refers to Lizzy Anjorin as ex-convict who had foursome in Southy with her smelling pussy. She added that the fight between her and Lizzy is going to be a movie. This seems to be the beginning of a bitter, long war between queens of Nollywood.
small business ti wá rèé àlọ́ náà ní ẹwà paralyze wa ìyá kọ mi bàbá ọkọ mi ọlọ́wọ́ ajé tó fi kọ́ mú ṣe gọ́ọ̀bù kẹ́yìn náà rí bí ẹni ẹgbẹ̀rún ló paralyze wa náà.
ìyá láì tata kí alẹ́ ń tà.
tata sọ́kọ ni ọmọ ìyá tán ta rọ́bà tí ń gbélé ìyá táwà tí ń tata lẹ́lẹ́ta tí orí nǹkan rẹ̀ ta ó ń béèrè dàgìnì tí ń béèrè pé kí ló sọ̀rọ̀ sádélé bọ̀ láyà ọ̀rá àánú ẹ̀kún ẹ̀ wá tẹ̀kọ́ tú ayé mojúbà náà ayé lukára bí ajẹ́rẹ́ ìgbọ̀dìgbà mi ọ̀rá tòrò mọ́gbẹ̀mú wọ̀ mo wá gbé kọ́ńdọ́ọ̀mù lé lórí.